For over 130 years, ABB has advanced industrial technology worldwide, and after assessing forklift pedestrian risks with Trio Mobil, ABB implemented a layered safety framework to strengthen operational control. When pedestrians enter active equipment zones, the system detects proximity and triggers visual and audible alerts in real time. If distance thresholds are reached, automated speed limitation activates, supporting controlled vehicle movement in shared work areas. In multi-equipment zones, the system identifies close-range forklift interactions and provides immediate alerts to support operator awareness and reaction time, particularly in blind spot conditions. At designated doorway and transition points, fixed zone anchors communicate with forklift-mounted units to gradually limit speed, supporting controlled passage through high-traffic intersections. All safety interactions are centralized in the Trio Mobil platform for clear operational visibility. By embedding AI-powered safety into daily operations, we strengthen control and help every employee return home safely.